Material properties, receive shadows. So first thing as I did is I went up to create materials and I created a Mudbox material. I named it material shadows. I'm going to right click and take a look at these properties. So one of the things I did is I came down here and I made sure then that I had receive shadows checked on. Alright. Then I assigned this one over here with the material shadows, and I come over here, so it's assigned. I could go to default, so right now it's default, but I'm going to come back over here and click on it, and I'm going to assign it material shadows. And so I'm going to come over here and click on it, right click, and assign it material shadows. So the light is now directional. It's hitting off the surface and bouncing and reflecting and casting a shadow on the other objects. Now the only way this works is the light that you use. In my case it's the directional light. Must have down in the shadows. You must have cast shadows on. Alright, so this must be turned on. If you turn this off, it doesn't work. Okay, so you must have that on, and you must have the shadows, the material with your shadows applied to the objects. Then, in that case, when we turn on the shadows for the material, we have to have at least one light in our scene, and that light must have cast shadows on, and then it will allow it to have shadows to appear on the model. So this whole point is to get shadows on our model. So we have to have a material that has the receive shadows on. We have to have a light, and the light must have cast shadows set. This is turned off by default, so you need to turn this on. So this is how we get our shadows cast onto our objects or to our models.